Nothing like starting your Monday morning by being woken up by a hot point assistant. Okay, let me try that one again. Not so much an assistant, more of a hot point engineer. I do believe my dryer has broken and this guy is here to fix it, so... Hello there, hot point engineer. Come on in. Oh my god, right, so when we were in Whitby and I was filming my dad reversing out of that like tight gap, he said to me that he, you know, in the moment of like trying to look behind him, he went like that to look out the window and smacked the glass, and I was whatever.
The window weren't fully down. Yeah. And I landed like that.
Look at his eye. Oh, you are just, how's your hand?
What better? Swelling's going down. I moved it a bit.
Oh, I just finished filming a clip for yesterday's vlog saying I hope my delivery comes. No joke, like 30 seconds after just finishing recording that clip, the delivery van's turned up. Well, that moment of truth. From Apple. Thank you very much, sir. Appreciate your face. No joke. 30 seconds ago, I just finished filming the clip for yesterday's vlog being like, yeah, so, you know, thanks for watching, goodbye and all that, and talking about how I'm sat around all day today not leaving my house until this package comes. It's come. It does say this has been sent from Syndicate Technology, Wadling Street, Logics Park, Hinckley. That doesn't exactly make me think of Apple, because it doesn't say, like, America. This might be their UK shipping department or something, but it doesn't say on it anywhere like Apple. But without further ado, let me get a knife. Got a knife. We are going to unbox this box without any idea what is actually in it. Sorry, that was kind of like a burp at the same time. There's probably more of an efficient way to open this box, but I believe we're in. We are in. Are you ready? Listen to that noise. Oh, that's nasty. All right, we're opening it. Ladies and gentlemen, oh my, whoa, what a weird packaging. The entire amount of packaging just unfolded when I opened that then, but ladies and gentlemen, the brand new iPhone, does it say which iPhone it is? I don't think so. I can tell you anyway, it's the brand new iPhone XS. Now let me check, does it say on the box? 256 gig, iPhone XS Space Gray. Ooh. Now, can I just say this right now? I am a bit bummed out because you guys know I just smashed this iPhone that I'm recording on like a week ago or something like that. And when I smashed the iPhone screen, it cost me 75 quid to repair. And I was like, yeah, you know, I'm going to do it because they've announced no new iPhones or anything like that. Yeah, fix the screen. And I think it was maybe 48 hours after doing that, they then announced the new iPhones. So, oh no, they didn't announce what the iPhone was going to be, but they announced that there was going to be an announcement for the iPhone. So, yeah, that was a bit of a bummer. So I ended up spending 75 quid to get my iPhone screen fixed, but nonetheless, we got it. Alright, skidoodle, so I'm currently doing this unboxing with no pants on, but I'm going to put this line in the background because it makes me look like a professional unboxer. Look at that, I'm going to put him in there, look at that. iPhone XS. Why did I go for the XS? Because the Max one is like, see, this is this size, the Max one's this big. Wait, I actually think we do have a Max. I do believe, ladies and gentlemen, we do indeed have the iPhone X Max here in our hands. So this right here, right now, you see this one, that is indeed the brand new iPhone XS. Quite a reasonable size, right? But then introducing the iPhone XS Max. Boom. Yeah, that's an iPad, but it's not much smaller than that. I'm just saying that right now. Phones. God damn it. This line is not doing too well as a prop to hold up my things. And also, I wasn't lying. I am naked, so yeah, just so you know that whilst I'm unboxing this. Okay, stay. So yeah, the reason why I didn't go for the Max is just because it's so big and like phone cases and all that, it makes it even bulkier. And I'm like, no thanks. I just want a phone that'll fit in my pocket. It's potentially, I could be wrong in saying this, I think it's the exact same size as the X that I'm recording on now. But there is only one reason I got this phone. And you know, you could say it's quite a big reason. It's got like the new A12 processor chip. You could say it's the brand new Space Invaders Jim Zip Happy Bow. I don't know what I'm talking about here. You could basically throw a load of words and tech numbers at me and stuff like that, and it still wouldn't bother me. I don't care about the new chip in it or anything like that, even though it makes it run faster, and apparently it's like, if not, the fastest running smartphone out there right now, like, because of the chip inside it. So that's a cool story, bro. But the only reason I got this phone is because of this camera right here, and with this camera I'm recording right now, I'm recording in 720p using the front-facing camera. And yes, I'm aware, and we're not starting a phone war here. I use iPhone for FaceTime and all that sort of stuff and family. It's just what I do. But the reason why I'm switching from this camera to this phone is because this is 720p, and this front one now is officially changed to not only 1080p, but 60 FPS, which is exactly what I want. And by the way, do you like how I'm setting this up right now?
Oh, for God's sake.
So I could probably remove this slate dining plate I've got here, so let's just move that. But right, line in the background looking good. Move away iPhone X Max, thank you very much. Boom, look at that. We got the iPhone. Look, how should I do my setup? Look, I'm Unbox Therapy. I'm coming for your job, bro. I would actually love to have a true tech channel. Like, I'm not joking. I'd love to do that. I'd actually love to do it on the vlog, where, you know, like days where I've got like nothing going on and I'm like not doing anything. Vlog my fun adventures, but then in the meantime, like unbox and review things. That's like my dream. No joke. And if it's your dream, you should do it. But it's not really that much of a dream. It's a fun hobby. But anyway, paperwork. This is all great. Now, MKBHD said he got black stickers in his, but I got lied to. I didn't get black stickers. I don't know how he got that. I think he got it from D-Brand or something like that. But anyway, you get the stickers that you normally get. You get these leaflets. What? Oh, you get a little guide. I've actually never in the life of me read this. I always just unbox the phone. Any piece of tech I get, I usually go straight for the unboxing and never read the manual, which is pretty stupid. But press once to sleep or wake, press and hold to turn on iPhone or Siri, and press twice for Apple Pay. Okay, then it tells you how to do like the built-in rape alarm, which is basically in it. Yeah, if you spam the outside button like on the edge of it like 10 times or something like that, yeah, you can set off an SOS button which rings the police, which is pretty cool. Yeah, we know all that information, and here it is. Prepare yourselves, guys. You've never seen anything like it. Wow, look at that. It's almost like you're look, you can see the reflection of the camera I'm using. It's almost like you're looking in the mirror. But are you ready for some peel porn? And if you don't know what peel porn is, yes, this actually works. Whoa. If you don't know what peel porn is, it's basically where you peel the sticker off a new product. You ready? You ready? Listen. Oh, it's got a dual layer. All right, let's keep her going. You ready? More peel porn. You ready? Listen. Shh. Oh, that's satisfying. Oh, yeah. Ooh, you ready? Oh! Like a virgin. First things first, this is easily the coldest iPhone I've ever felt. And I know this sounds odd, but wait, is this the same size phone? It's the exact same size phone, right? It's the exact same dimensions as the iPhone X. Oh, sorry, let me stop moving the camera around and put you down. Boom, so included in the rest of the box is the typical little iPhone charging thing. It's actually a really good portable little USB thing that you can take everywhere. And by portable, I mean it's just really small plug socket with a USB in it. Boom, you always get one of them. Great. You've then got your headphones with the lightning port like adapter plug socket thing on it. So basically it looks like that rather than a headphone jack, because as you notice, there's no headphone jack. And also shout out to the guy, oh no, sorry about that, got interrupted. My alarm to wake me up at 2 o'clock in the afternoon just went off. But anyway, there's a YouTuber who proved like off in some like Chinese or Japanese markets that by collecting all the parts from other phones, he managed to build in to an iPhone X an actual headphone slot and got it to work. So Apple were able to do it, but because they were like, hell no, wireless is the way to go, and hell no, you buy our dongle, they just didn't put it in. So they could have done it, but they didn't do it. So you get the headphones, you get the plug, you also get the lightning bolt cable, so that's great, and then you get the box. So I'm gonna slide the box over here, put that in front of it, and be like, wow, look at this. Tom's a little professional unboxer. Look how pro this looks. Wow. This video is gonna be me unboxing this. But then the thing is, what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch to this camera for the rest of the vlog, for the rest of the day. Shouldn't take me too long to back everything onto it because I've got my super fast internet, 500 up, 500 down. That said, you'll get a true experience of what a full day of daily vlogging is with this iPhone XS in tomorrow's vlog, because I'll be using it from the moment I wake up. So there should be no 720p 30 FPS footage in it whatsoever. It should all be 1080p. 60, and I am aware you can get a 4K camera on the front, well on the back of it, that films in 60 FPS, but then that's the problem I have here. I would love to film in 4K 60 FPS, but you see this front facing camera, until these are the same, I'm going to continue to film 1080p, because yeah, to be fair, not everyone has a 4K screen, so they don't even notice anyway. So if I hold and turn it on immediately, will it power up? Will it? Oh, that's always a test with products that I like to do. Like when you get like a phone battery pack or something and you buy it and it's fully charged, it's like, booming, I like that, I can charge my phone. But this was that cold that I did not think it was going to be charged. How much battery do you reckon it comes with? How much actual battery do you think this comes with? Taking its sweet time, it's probably because it's frozen. Like I said, I think it got shipped from the UK. Oh, hello! Hello there! Swipe up to open. English, United Kingdom, selecting language, and we'll skip this part now. Oh, and if I'm going to skip this part right now, this will be the last clip you'll see of me recording in 720p from this one, so let's hope it goes from jolty and disgusting to a nice smooth 60 FPS from now on. So say goodbye iPhone X and say hello to iPhone XS. Yeah, I can't believe I spent this much money to upgrade to this thing, but hey man, when you use it every day, like as a job, let's just hope it's worth it. Oh my god, first clip with a new iPhone. First of all, it's way more zoomed in than it was normally. So like when I hold my phone close to my face, it's well zoomed in. But it is 1080p and it's 60 FPS. Ah, that is amazing. Okay, that looks so much better. That looks so much better. Whoa. Wave Ken in 60 FPS. Got a wave movement. Movement, yeah.
Feeling sick, go.
Oh my gosh. Oh. I've been waiting for Apple to upgrade this camera to 60 FPS for the longest time. Now the vlogs will finally stop looking like a rocky boat simulator. Oh, that is so smooth. Back camera, this is still 1080p 60 FPS, I believe. Actually, you know what? This might not even be set in 60 FPS. Let me check the setting. Steven, I got a brand new phone and it makes you look better, but this camera won't make a noticeable difference. So, Steven, it's 1080p 60 FPS. Oh my god, look how much of a good colour Steve looks. Oh my god, you were a healthy bearded dragon. I'm sorry, I can't get over how good this camera is. Like, seriously, I thought, I don't know actually how good it's going to be, and you guys will notice how, if you compare the clips earlier today of like, this is my arm fully extended, and I usually hold my phone about here, but usually, when I used to hold my old phone here, it was like this, but now with this new phone, it's like I'm holding it like this, so, I don't know, I'm sorry, you're going to have to get used to a closer zoomed in Tom, but my dad had a repairman come round today for this, the dryer, which all should be good, but the dryer is broken and it's overheating that bad to the point where I think you could cook an egg on that. It's that hot. If my house burns down, let it be known it was that he fixed and broke. So, it might be the end of my house, just saying. Also update, I'm still not wearing pants. I think I've got some in here. Like, this is where I slept last night, by the way. I know I've got like my super fast internet and all that sort of stuff, but the TV in my room, the internet Wi-Fi just doesn't seem to work for it in the slightest. And I'm like, well, this is just annoying. So what I decided to do is, because I've got 2 spare bedrooms, I got one of my spare quilts, put my quilt down here, and then I just watch Netflix on this TV because I can't watch it in my room and I don't want to sit there watch it on the phone and then, you know, like dropping the phone in your head. So this is like my bedroom. Look, you can literally see the indent of where I laid on that couch. And I tell you something, it was comfy. Either way, pants secured, and I tell you what, guys, I can't believe it. This phone right now is my dream. 1080p front-facing camera. I know you've got YouTubers like Casey and all them who use like the DSLRs, but walking around with a DSLR, mate, where is it? Where is it in here? There it is. If you're walking around with a DSLR, you look like this. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to today's vlog, hope you're okay. And everyone freaks the out. They're like, what are you doing? This is crazy, that makes no sense. And everyone thinks you're actually insane, and don't get me wrong, when you're filming with a phone as well, people think that, but oh my god, it's so nice to have a small compact camera. And even when you're using like one of them cameras, like, you know, the flip out camera, like the screen on it, people still freak out because they're like, why has he got a camera in a public place? Or you're like, you know, out at a bar or somewhere, and everyone's like, why has he got a camera in a public place? This is weird. It's so nice to just be able to pull your phone out of the pocket and use that, because everyone's just like, oh, it's a mobile phone. There's nothing to worry about. Finally, after all this time of me saying, all I want is 720p to be gone from the front-facing camera and 1080p 60 FPS to be brought in. And you know what? It was. And oh yeah. Oh yeah! I'm actually really happy. Hey, are you all ready to start freaking out again? I rang Cal, I was like, Cal, let's go for some dinner. Cal was like, no, can't do it. Alice is coming back from holiday, and because Alice is coming back from holiday and I can't eat. So I'm like, fine. Text everyone else, they're not eating. Who's the one person who I can rely on to go and get food any time of the day, whenever, however, whenever, wherever? Oh my, look how crisp it is. Oh god. Well, that's what I was thinking, because I look like a potato, but it makes me look like a blurry potato, but now I look like a HYDE potato, which... Yay! Oh my god, it looks so good! Not me! It look how HYDE it is. Ah, I'm so happy! Sorry, what?
So was that your last option then?
You were definitely the last option. Do you think I wanted to see you again? I saw you yesterday. I don't want to see you again.
You can get out. Go on.
Can I get the food first?
I'm going out with people. You're tagging along.
Yes.
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 Can I at least get the food and then get kicked out? Please? Right, welcome to my destination of food, which is going to be called Akbar's. It's a curry house in Manchester where we're going to eat some food. I have to say this right now, not a huge fan of curry, but oh my god, am I a fan of lamb chops. I'll take one of everything. That doesn't include cilantro. Good decisions were made. Lamb chop. No, I cheered and said to health and to happiness. Oh, they're spicy. That's a win. The lamb chops are amazing.
Tell you got it all round your chops.
Have I? Oh. Yes, thank you. Oh, now I got it on my ear. Nice. Don't know why I'm signing up for this. Trying liver. Oh.
I just do the liver.
Oh, it's in my teeth. It's in my teeth. That's disgusting.
Creamy, creamy.
I don't know if creamy is the word to describe it, but mushy. Really mushy. And just like that, Akbar's gorgeous. I'm gonna give it, it was pretty spicy. I'm telling them that. Very spicy. I'd give it a 7 out of 10, but because of the spice, 6. And look how good Beecham Towers looks. Whoa, that's kind of a weird... Is it Beetham? Oh, Beetham Towers is looking pretty damn sexy in the sunlight right now. Found out B went to the Marvel Studios and saw the Iron Man... Are they from the film?
Yeah, I think so. Unless they're replicas, I don't know, but I was just freaking out.
I didn't get to see this.
Major
But
nerds
check this
film.
out. Oh yeah.
This is the wait. I've got.
Do you know which one? Do you know which ones they're from? What's that one from? What's
Isn't
that one
that
from?
the Iron Patron?
No.
Is that not?
There's no
number
US
3?
flag in it.
Oh, I thought the Iron Patron was the whole silver one.
You know what? I'm not going to say yes or no just in case I'm wrong now.
I don't know.
Ooh,
That's the OG.
That is so sick.
Pretty sick.
Oh, don't you just wish he was real?
He is right
Of course.
there.
My apologies.
Oh,
That doesn't even look real.
That is fake.
That is insane.
Wow. Turns out that was a real moon. It was like a super moon last night. I put it on Twitter like, does anyone look outside every now and again and go, wow, what the hell is going on? Are we about to die? And it turns out it was a super moon. So there you go. That was my daily vlog. I basically got a new iPhone, went out for food, and that was that. And everyone is going to be freaking out like, oh my god, you're seeing Lydia all the time now. What's going on? Are you back dating? We're not back together or anything like that. We're just seeing each other in the sense of like, I'm bored. I've got free time. The only person who's also bored and got free time as of kind of not yesterday, even though I was with yesterday, was Lydia, because she actually quit a job as a teacher, and I told you she was doing part-time, so she had all this free time to be like, hey, do you want to go do this? Hey, do you want to go do that? Something like that, like going to the cinemas. It was just really convenient because all my other friends are at work or whatever. But like I said, she has gone part-time, so she's back at work now, getting up at like 7 a.m. and being at work till like 6 p.m. So unfortunately, when I'm like, oh, I want to go and get food, does anyone want to come? Now Lydia's going to be off that list of being available all the time because she's got a job. Like most people have jobs, and there's me just doing this. Like I tried to get Kyle to come out with us yesterday, and he was like, no, for once, I can't come round and play Fortnite. I've actually got a job. So yep, just another day of being a YouTuber in Manchester where no other YouTubers live around you, so everyone has normal jobs. So I'm going to continue playing RuneScape this morning, as you can clearly tell in the background right there. But thank you very much for watching. Make sure you leave a like rating. So far, I'm enjoying the new phone. Bit freaked out with how zoomed in it is, just because I'm simply not used to that. Like, I legitimately have to stretch my arm, like, fully to get, like, everything I want to show you in the shot, like, from the front-facing camera. Let me show you how weird that looks. So just by filming with this one, this is how usually I'd have to hold it far away with the front-facing camera to be like, hey, like, you can see me. But now I have to hold it like all the way out there. Now watch me switch camera. I have to hold it all the way out here, which if you look in the mirror, look how crazy that is. It looked like I've just got like my arm fixated with like a pole going up it. So I have to walk around with the longest, stiffest arm ever, but I'm trying to like keep it like here, which again, you can only just see like the top of my head and like bottom of my chin. So I used to be able to hold it here and you could see like everything at this distance, but now I have to do this, so it just looks a bit weird, to be honest. So it is what it is. We'll get used to it, I'm sure. It's one of those, that's why I try and get, you know, them camera lenses for the iPhone, which makes it like a wide angle or something, so I could put one on the front, one on the back, and then I could hold it like this close, but you could see everything like a big nice wide angle. But unfortunately it is what it is, so we'll get used to it. We'll see how an entire vlog tomorrow with it is. I'm hoping for the best. It should be no problem. I can't see why it would be, but new iPhone, 1080p, 60 FPS. That's what I love. That's what I like. So smash that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow at 6 p.m. for the next daily vlog. And until then, adios.